have given a topic on how to prevent and the crisis which is affected in vanilla industry. The members for the group are Rahul Singh, Barandal Pal, and me, myself, Tulsi Shah. So we'll be presenting the presentation on what are the leading countries which produce vanilla bean from top to least. The top country which produces vanilla beans is Madagascar, which produces near about 3,000 tons of vanilla each year, and the least is Tonga, which produces 180 tons of vanilla each year. The amount of all the vanilla beans produced in the world needs to be increased because it's a classic flavor, it's used popularly everywhere. And this table was given by Mr. Carol McBride, US Vanilla Category Manager of Symrise. So vanilla is produced in many ways, but some of the ways are artificially, which is produced by the scientific method, glycolol through petroleum, and naturally through vanilla beans from the plant vanillin glycoside. And here are the many ways by which vanilla is produced. The main crisis which is affected for the vanilla production and harvesting are many, but some of them are less land is produced, which results in growing less vanilla, and therefore it results in expensive rate of the vanilla beans. As cured vanilla beans contain only 2% of the extractable vanilla flavor, it takes around 4 years for those wines to reach the maturity.
Another
Now I
crisis
pass
is
on to Barinder Singh.
Another crisis is labor. Like it is an intensive crop. 1 kilogram of cured bean is made from 600 manually pollinated blooms. When still green beans are harvested and sold to fermentation facilities, where employees sort, blanch, steam, and dry the beans in the sun. The beans are then separated once again, shade dried, and fermented as workers continuously assess their aroma and check the quality of each bean. Steps that we can take to prevent a crisis is plant genetics could apply the knowledge to create transgenic plants with high vanilla synthase activity or to identify markers that assist in choosing vanilla orchid kinds that produce more vanilla. Over to Rahul.
The steps taken to prevent the crisis is a grower project in Madagascar. It's a government who promote this project. They believe that it will give enough land for small holders to produce more vanilla to prevent the crisis. And third one is a genetically modified yeast to produce vanillin from a raw material. As we know, vanilla can be produced from many different ways. So if a genetically modified yeast is being produced and they work on a molasses can give us an ferulic acid, which is a main component for creating vanilla. And the last one is as it's a very intense crop, so there is need to be a proper knowledge about how it could be harvested. Most of the people they just harvest before it's reaching its maturity level, which is 4 years. So everybody needs to first plant more vanilla beans and vines, and second they need to having a proper surety that they can get a good rate. So Simfire team works to promote security for the farmer, so they know they will get a fair amount of price for the vanilla, and they will not pick up or harvest the vanilla before their harvesting time. Thank you. That's it.